Pythons are a family of non-venomous constrictor snakes. Large, powerful reptiles famous for squeezing prey rather than using venom. They belong to one of the groups that includes some of the world's largest snakes. Non-venomous, they kill by constriction, coil around prey, squeeze to stop breathing, heart function. Heat-sensing pits. Most species have labial pits that detect infrared radiation, excellent for hunting warm-blooded animals in darkness. Females often coil around clutches to incubate, protect them, sometimes showing shivering muscle contractions to generate heat. Distribution: Old World tropics, Sub-Saharan Africa, South and Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Philippines, New Guinea, Australia. No native pythons in the Americas. Number of species: around 39-40 recognized species in 8-10 genera. Size range: tiny.
Children's python.
Giants over 7 m.
Pythons are a family of non-venomous constrictor snakes. Pythons are a family of non-venomous constrictor snakes. Pythons are a family of
Non-venomous constrictor snakes. Pythons are a family of pythons to 96.
Pythons are a family of
A female reticulated python nicknamed Ibu Baron or the Baroness was discovered in late 2025 in Maros region, Sulawesi. Officially measured January 18, 2026. Head to tail, weight 97 kg, verified by Guinness World Records. Now